Hello guys, happy day all. So somehow, this is one of my hobby in kitchen guys while I'm cooking. Let's prepare a pancit canton dish. First step guys, just cook the garlic and the onion and then just put the vegetable together with noodles. I'm cooking also the noodles guys through the hot water. And then guys, next step is just put the noodles guys, and then the seasoning also, seasoning of the pancit canton, and then mix it all guys. I'm sharing guys, I put a little bit oyster sauce guys for itlog na naman for the taste, and I'll taste this one guys, so very yummy. Just try this guys, and the new dish is sharing. Thank you.